Okay, I think this sucker's on. Alright, fuckers and fuckettes. It's F-O-K-K-E-R-S and F-O-K-K-E-T-T-E-S for those that don't know. I know I pronounce it a little bit weird. We finally have the first of 4 cameras that'll be live on the web, live on YouTube. I'm down here at the White Elephant Pub in Inglewood, Florida, doing a little audio work. Aside from Beach Blaster and stuff like that, we're putting up a house system, but you would be amused at the improvements to the place. Now, for the beach camera thing that we just brought live, there's been people going out there and waving at the camera, so to speak, and there's been guys with their little self-powered parasailers going by. There's been, I don't know, people come in here and they just sit here and run across the beach and do things for the camera. So it's kind of funny, and some of it's YouTube worthy, so we decided, yeah, we're going to put it on YouTube. And the same with the aquarium cam and the underwater cam and the bay cam out back were planned to begin with. Beach cam was kind of planned, but we had planned to just leave it on its IP as a website. And give it its own domain, but then we decided, well, you know, hey, we'll do that. We already have. It's got its own domain and everything, but YouTube's easier for people to remember, so we just tell them now, hey, look it up on YouTube, I hope. But it looks like we have one broken. That's a shame. We just got that thing. But we're setting up audio all over the place throughout the house again. But this time we're doing the big system. So the little system is staying up, but we've got speakers going everywhere, and the idea is a lot of speakers at low volume will produce crystal clear sound that people can talk over without having to raise their voices, whereas it's unpleasant when you go into a place and they've got like just 2 speakers and the amp's cranked to distortion points and you can't talk to each other. So we're overcoming that with a lot of speakers at low volume, because people do want to hear the music, but at the same time they want to talk to each other. And a situation like this where you're on the beach, the outdoor section, you've got a lot of background noise that you've got to compensate for to begin with, not just the crowd noise. Situation like this, you've got fans, it's not like, and you've got, of course, traffic going past on the road. Normally those, when they're open, those are rolled up, just like back here. And we have speakers everywhere for this, and we're setting up a Beach Blaster on top of the freezer out front, so that'll be some entertainment for the people who are running across to the beach camera. We figured they might as well have a little music while they do it, kind of thing. And I'll give you more on this later, but yeah, we've already tested it, so to speak, and we've got the real horns back in the back that'll be going up on the front deck. Anyway, that's our update for the day, and as I said, we'll very soon have the aquarium cam. Hopefully the bay cam will get a wire run up to it pretty soon. And we've got we don't know if we're doing an underwater cam or a turtle cam out back for the 4th. We've got the bandstand cam is there, but it's erratic. It doesn't like working all the time, so we have an alternative camera for it, but it's not set up yet. And there's other issues with the bandstand camera that we have to get around first, like massive home through the electrical system, because it's the only place that we can put it. So anyway, we'll holler at y'all fockers and fockettes later.